Hey, it's Auntie Joy. And Owl. And Greeny. Let's go shopping at the grocery store. Owl, you get to go first.
Oh boy. What should I choose? Pick me over here. No, pick me down here. No, pick me up here. I don't know what to choose.
Maybe you should choose something that's pink.
Okay, how about that donut?
Yes, that's pink. Oops, things are flying off the shelves. Sales are good today. Let's move your cart out of the way so you can see.
Good idea.
Choose something that's red.
Okay, how about those cherries?
Good idea. These cherries are red. Now choose something that has orange in it.
Okay, orange. Let's see. How about that cheeseburger back there? The cheese is orange.
Yes, it sure is. There you go.
What's next?
Choose something that's yellow.
Ooh, that other cheeseburger. The bun is yellow.
Yes, it is. Now choose something that's green.
No, I want to do green.
Oh, that's right. Greenie's favorite color is green. We'll save green for Greenie.
Thank you.
Well, how about, since we're saving green for Greenie, Owl, choose something brown, since your feathers are brown.
Good idea. Okay, how about that corn dog back there?
Ooh, good choice. Here's the corn dog.
Okay, my cart is full. I think it's time to go.
Let's put these guys back. They fell over. Let's count the items in Owl's cart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in Owl's cart. This is a donut. Donut starts with the letter D. These are cherries. Cherries start with the letter C. This is a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger starts with the letter C. Here's another cheeseburger. This is a corn dog. Corn dog starts with the letter C.
Wow! Hold on a second. You just said cherry and cheeseburgers start with the letter C.
They do.
Then how can corn dogs start with the letter C?
Well, because cheeseburger and cherry have an H after the C, which changes the k sound of the C to a ch sound.
Oh, okay. Back to shopping.
Okay, Owl, it's time to check out. Let's go to the cash register. Time for Owl to pay for her 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, here's my cookie wallet.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here's your receipt, Owl.
Thank you.
Okay, Greenie, it's your turn to go shopping.
Oh boy. Okay, what should I choose?
Well, I thought you were going to choose all the items that were your favorite color.
Oh yeah,
What's your favorite color?
green.
That's right, green. Choose all the items that are green.
Okay. Those peas are green.
That's right.
That kiwi is green.
Sure is.
The asparagus is green. And the cucumber is green.
Good job, Greenie. Your cart is all full of green things. Now let's count the items in Greenie's cart. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count how many peas are in the pea pod. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3. The pea pod is open. Now it is closed. Open. Closed. Open. Peas start with the letter P. Kiwi starts with the letter K. Asparagus starts with the letter A. Cucumber starts with the letter C. Time to check out, Greenie. Let's go to the cash register.
Okay.
Greenie had 4 items in his cart. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's my cookie wallet.
Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your receipt, Greenie.
Thank you.
Now let's push all the buttons.
I like pushing your buttons, Auntie Joy.
Yes, you do, and you're very good at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this number is 0. Okay, Owl, now it's your turn to go shopping.
Okay. Okay. What should I choose?
I know. Choose something that's blue.
Okay, that milk has blue in it. It's a lighter blue, but it's still blue.
That is right. Now choose something brown.
How about that pistachio?
Good job. Choose something red.
Okay, I'll take that tomato, please.
Choose something yellow.
Definitely the taco.
Good choice. Oops. Choose something with red.
The French fries are in a red container.
Yes, they are. Choose something that has white in it.
The whipped cream on top of the coffee. The coffee has white in it.
Sure does. Okay, looks like your cart is full. Let's count how many items are in Owl's cart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items in Owl's cart. Milk starts with the letter M. M. French fries start with the letter F. Tomato starts with the letter T. Taco also starts with the letter T. Pistachio starts with the letter P. Coffee starts with the letter C. Time to check out. Let's go to the cash register. Owl has 6 items in her cart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Here's my money.
All right, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's your receipt, Owl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, Greenie. Owl,
Yes.
aren't we lucky that we have all this food?
Oh, we sure are.
Who do we have to thank for that?
Jesus.
That's right. Has there ever been a time in the Bible where people didn't have enough food and Jesus made more food appear?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yeah. When Jesus fed the 5,000 people. Wow, cool.
Let's read just 2 pages out of this really cool book to tell about the story.
I don't like stories.
I know, Greenie, but it's only 2 pages, okay?
Okay.
The pages I'm going to read are from My First Bible Stories. Illustrated by Dawn Michelle, written by Haley Down. Feeding of the 5,000. 5,000 people came one day to hear what Jesus had to say, just as lunchtime had begun. Some had food and some had none. One small boy had fish and bread, and with just this the crowd was fed. For Jesus performed a miracle, making food for one and all. Okay, Greenie, it's your turn to go shopping.
Okay. What should I choose?
Oh, let's see. Choose something that has red.
The French fries have red.
That's right. The container that the French fries are in is red. Now choose something that's yellow.
That pizza back there is yellow.
Yes, it is. No, you can't eat it yet, Greenie. We have to pay for it first.
Oh, that's right.
That's yellow right there. The pepperoni is red. And the top is brown. Now your favorite color, Greenie.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Choose something that has green in it.
The top of that chili pepper has green.
Yes, it does. This part is green. What color is this down here?
That's red.
Good job. Let's count the items in Greenie's cart. 1, 2, 3. French fries start with the letter F. Chili pepper starts with the letter C. It has a CH that makes the chili sound. Pizza starts with the letter P. Time to check out. Let's go to the cash register. Greenie had 3 items in his cart. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, here's my money.
Okay, let's count. 1. Uh-oh. Greenie doesn't have enough for 3. Oh, here's your check card, Greenie.
Oh yeah, use that.
Okay. Here we go. There we go. 3. 3 items. Here's your receipt, Greenie.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now let's count all the money in the cash register. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now the cash register is empty. That means there's nothing in there. There are 0 items in there. 0. Okay, Owl, it's your turn to go shopping now.
Okay. What should I choose?
Well, let's see. What color are your feathers?
Brown.
Choose something brown.
Okay. Can you move the cart?
Sure.
That Oreo cookie is brown.
Yes, it is. Now choose something red.
Okay, that hot sauce is red.
Yes, it is. Now choose something yellow.
The taco is yellow and the burrito is yellow.
That's right. Let's count the things in Owl's cart. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 items in Owl's cart. Hey, Owl, do you know what letter Oreo starts with? Oh, Oreo. Oh, Owl.
Oh, letter O. Excuse me, I'd like to buy a vowel, please.
Hot sauce starts with the letter H. Taco starts with the letter T. Burrito starts with the letter B. Time to check out. Let's go to the cash register. Owl had 4 items in her cart. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here's my money.
Okay. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's your receipt, Owl.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It looks like Owl and Greenie bought everything in the store. Hey, Owl,
Yeah?
do you still have that magic wand?
Uh-huh.
Hey, how about if you wave the magic wand to bring all the food back so we can play some more?
Good idea. It worked.
Good job. Let's name all the food. Cucumber, asparagus, taco, French fries, pistachio, hot sauce, tomato, pizza, kiwi, corn dog, Donut. Cherries. Burrito. Peas. Cheeseburger. Oreo cookie. Milk. Coffee. Cheeseburger. French fries. Taco. Now let's name the colors. The peas are green. The Oreo cookie is brown. The French fries are yellow and the container is red. The donut is pink. The cheeseburger is yellow. The milk is white. The container is blue. The cherries are red. The stem on the cherries is green. The burrito is yellow. The kiwi is green. The pistachio is brown. The corn dog is brown. The mustard on the corn dog is yellow. The asparagus is green. The hot sauce is red. The label on the hot sauce is yellow. The French fries are yellow. The container is red. The cucumber is green. The coffee is brown. The whipped cream on the top is white. The label is green. The cheese on the pizza is yellow. The pepperoni is red. The crust is brown. The taco is yellow. The tomato is red. The leaves are green. The cheese is orange. The burger is brown. The lettuce is green. The taco shell is yellow. The cheese is orange. The tomatoes are red. The meat in the taco is brown. The lettuce in the taco is green. Thanks for hanging out with Auntie Joy.
And Owl.
And Greeny. And remember,
I want to tell him.
okay, you can tell him.
Jesus loves you so very much. He loves everybody in the entire world.
That's right, Owl. Jesus loves every one of you. See you next time.